Hi everybody. So, this week I wanted to celebrate Halloween by doing a costume video for you guys. Apparently everyone else is doing it, but I figured why not. We're joined by Scream. He is adorable. Don't mind him. It's fine. And my dog didn't want to leave me alone, so Rooney might be helping. Alright, so first, I'm going to rid myself of all of my previous accessories, even though I like them more-ish. Alrighty, and we have a headband. So, I'm gonna do this. I'm a little prepping for this, because staring at this and then the screen to try to do my makeup is horrible. I realized I don't have an actual hand mirror, so I'm gonna use this. This is as good as it's gonna get. And let's see. All the makeup artists out there are going to cringe watching me do this, by the way, because I don't have tools. I'm not a part of the beauty community at all. So, let's see. I already have fair skin. I'm going to just kind of rub this in. And the cover-up that I'm using is the Clean Oil Control. Really nice. Where's it from? CoverGirl. Duh. Okay. So, CoverGirl for that. I have so many things laying in front of me right now. I will be sure to mention all of them. Granted, I have to decide on a lipstick because there are a lot of nude / kind of light pink lipsticks. I have a few. One by NYX, another by CoverGirl, and the other's also by NYX. That is good, and that is what I want. I want completely unblemished, like, totally clear skin. Okay, so far so good. And what are we going to do next? Alright, I need... This will also be my first time ever working with fake eyelashes. I don't know if I'll be a fan. I need eyeliner. Let's put it down here for a second. Okay. Oh. There's that triumph done. Alright, so next. So I was gonna use those lashes, which are good, but they don't have a bottom lash. I also, last year, never wore them, for my cosplays, bought the Spooky Maiden lashes, or the Dark Maiden. So it's got length in the bottom and the top. Okay, so now, mascara, which is CoverGirl. I apparently use just 2 brands in my life, for the most part. That's it. No more, no less. Okay. There, eyes are much darker now. Alrighty, so what is next? I want to do this first, especially because we're going for the porcelain doll effect and how they have that clear white skin. Excuse you, I'm talking. Anyway, because it has that white, like sometimes glossy effect, I have Wet n Wild for breaking the curb. So Wet n Wild highlighting powder. It got me, because I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, yep, there you go. Kinda. It has a skull, so neat. I like it. Luckily for me, my ancestors are mostly Norwegian, so I have the high cheekbones. It's so much easier to coat. that. Little nose. Little here. On all the edges. Okay. Oh, apparently on my hair as well. But this looks good. Okay. Good deal. We're done with that part. So, what do we want to do next? Let's choose an earring. I want to choose an earring. Porcelain doll, but creepy porcelain doll. We have regular studs, crosses, skulls, square things. I can't remember what they're actually called. Probably just actual studs. And little black gems. I think I want to go with skulls. That'd be a little weird though. Okay, yeah. Those skulls. Turn it there. Okay. Now, yes, we should probably move on to lipstick before I get any further. So, soft matte lip cream. No. I'm going to a party, so that's not going to be convenient. Will you off already? Oh, perforated enough. Why won't you come off? There we go. So this is liquid suede. This is one of my favorite things ever, especially if you're going to go to a party. Because it just stays. You can eat your food and it'll stay on. Drink things, it'll stay on. Probably going to have some drinks tonight. So it staying on will be good. Is this lighter? This one's a little lighter. This is the CoverGirl lips. 240. So I'm probably going to put this one on, and then I will put on the other one on top and give it a little bit of a gradient. It really needs one. And I know some dolls are, they do the red lip. I definitely wanted to do the more traditional, basically nude light. I will put on this one. And I might as well do this. I have an abundance of chokers. With the dress that I'm going to wear and the colors I'm going to try to go for, I'm going to see if it works with the dress and if I still fit in the dress. An old Lolita dress that I used to wear. And this. Amongst all of my chokers. And I think this one will work. The dainty doll there. I'm definitely going to need this one. Is do like a little crack in the corner of my eye. Almost like the porcelain cracked kind of thing. So let's do that. Okay. There we go. This way, this way. See? Awesome. Okay. And it's a matte black. Covers up the shininess, makes it actually look like a crack. Fun thing to do. Okay, so now that we have that, I almost want if I need to put on my wig first. But at the same time, I don't want to. So we're gonna just go for these. I don't know how this works. How the hell does this work? Wait. Oh, that's supposed to go on that eye anyway. Whoops. Alright, let's see if I can get this to work. Oh my god. Alright. So it wants to stick to my fingers. It does not want to stick to my eye. There we go. There we go. I got it to work. It feels so weird and I don't like it, but I got it to work anyway, and it kind of looks cool, but at the same time, oh my god, I can feel it. Ah. Alright, time to do the same thing to the other eye. I can imagine me tearing these off by the end of the night because I can just feel it in the corner of my eye, and oh my god. Okay. Let the wait begin. Such big glorious lashes. Oh my god. How do people do this? Like every day. Especially before they leave. How do people do this before they leave their house? I don't understand. Oh, my eyes are tearing up so bad. Oh, alright. I get away with eyeliner, and that is it. My eyes don't like a lot of other stuff. Okay. Oh, our artist work is slowly going away. This. That eye. This goes. There. Okay. That's a lot of eyelash. I look crazy, but a lot. I mean, going for a doll, so yeah, but oh my god. The eyelashes are so extreme. Yeah. Oh, that was the worst feeling. I just stabbed myself in the eye. And I can't blink well. Okay. One more lash. Maybe I can get away with, like, just the top. The bottom, this bottom here, seems excessive. Not gonna lie. I mean, it looks pretty. Okay, so this is just like button up shirt, fancy kind of light fabric, all that. This is going to be the undershirt for this, as long as it fits. Huzzah, it still fits. Okay, there's this neat little thing. Fortunately, well, I'm gonna do the little hand makeup, but then I get to do the knees. Alright, now that this is on, you are really the biggest problem. Well, I kind of want to Sharpie them on. At the same time, I don't think I have time to do that, so. This is why I'm going so for stuff. Super easy, just kind of hint of detail, nothing too hard. Doing my other hand is not going to be fun. If I had white gloves, I'd probably just keep like one glove. Well, actually, I have a weird glove and I might use it now. Let people know I'm a doll and do like one hand's uncovered. And then leave the other hand kind of half exposed because I have a drawing glove that covers up like half my hand so that I don't smudge the pencil on the paper. Oh, the tears have started. And go. There. Easy enough. Okay. Oh my god, this bottom lash is coming off. I can't stop crying. But we'll at least keep it on for this. Okay, so now for the wigs. So I'm gonna go with one of my black cosplay wigs. So this is the wig. So there is a way to part it. Oh, it's attaching itself to my eyelashes. Get out of my. There. Okay. Honestly, a headband that we were using before can use again. Eh, eh. There. Oh, almost there. I'll leave some down. I have to add a clip, but happy Halloween, everybody. I hope you enjoy your scares and eat so much candy. Hey, guys.